Hello. Now we are moving to the basic experiment of the metrology and quality engineering subject, that is use of precision and non-precision instruments, where we have to first learn what are the precision instruments, what are the non-precision instruments, and what is the difference between accuracy and precision. So we can use the vernier caliper as one of the precision instruments in order to calculate and measure the data. Let us get know-how with the use of precision instrument called as vernier caliper. The principle of vernier is that when two scales or divisions slightly different in size are used, the difference between them can be utilized to enhance the accuracy of measurement. The vernier caliper essentially consists of two steel rules, and these can slide along each other. The parts of the vernier caliper are shown here. This is called as the outside jaws, used to measure external diameter or width of an object. These are the inside jaws, used to measure internal diameter of the object. This is the depth probe used to measure depth of an object or the hole or internal diameter of the hole. Then this is the main scale on which reading from up to 1 decimal place, that is in centimeter, from 0 to 300 is the capacity of this instrument. Then vernier scale, this is the secondary type of scale which is used, and this is the fine adjustment scale. Again, these two screws are used for the fixation of the jaws, and this is a adjusting screw which is used while calculating. Now let us know what is the least count of the vernier caliper. Least count is given by the formula value of smallest division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on vernier scale. Suppose one main scale division is equal to 1 mm, therefore total number of vernier scale division is equal to 50. Therefore least count becomes 1 divided by 50, that is 0.02 mm. Let us take an example. A 50 vernier scale 1 division coincide with 49 division on main scale, and 1 main scale division is equal to 1 mm. Then 1 vernier scale division is equal to 49 divided by 50 of main scale division, and least count is equal to 1 minus 49 divided by 50 is equal to 0.02 mm. Alternatively, it is easy to read 13 on the main scale and 42 on the 100 scale. The current measurement will be 13.42 mm. In this way, we can conclude that the reading measured was 32.42 mm. Let us take another example in which 19th line is getting coincided with the 0 of the vernier scale, but there are total 32 divisions matching on the scale. Therefore calculation will be 19 plus 32 into 0.02, that is the least count of the vernier scale. Therefore equation becomes 19 plus 0.64 is equal to 19.64 mm. That is the final answer, or you can say the reading taken by vernier caliper onto the scale. In this way we can calculate relations with vernier caliper. Thank you.